example 2, negative absolute value of x plus 3 greater than 0. The difference between this one and the first one already had the absolute value expression isolated, nothing with it. All right, this one, I have to start by moving the 3 over here. That gives me negative absolute value of x is greater than negative 3. Okay, keep in mind when you're moving things, changing signs like that, by moving something across to change its sign, the inequality does not get affected by that. The point here where I want just absolute value expression, every one of those cases, case 1, 2, 3, 4 on the yellow sheet had absolute value of x, not negative absolute value of x. So I don't want minus signs in front of this absolute value expression. So I'm going to change both signs. When I change both signs in inequality, that's when the inequality switches direction. So absolute value of x is less than 3. That's priority 1 in an absolute value inequality. Get the absolute value expression by itself, inequality number. Then you look at what case it is. This again is case 2. Absolute value less than a positive number. So negative that number is less than x is less than positive that number. Alright? So that's what the yellow sheet's for, to go from absolute value structure to a not absolute value structure. Now we're graphing the set of integers. Again, we're starting negative 3, ending at 3, but we're not including the integers negative 3 and 3 this time. So I'm not going to put an open circle at negative 3, I'm going to just start at negative 2. Because negative 2 is inside, it's bigger than negative 3, it's less than 3, so is negative 1, so is 0, so is 1, and so is 2. Then when I get to 3, 3 is not less than 3, so I don't want to include that. So my entire graph is just going to be those 5 numbers being graphed. Again, no open circles necessary or expected when you're graphing the set of integers.